Hello everyone! Welcome to another unboxing video today. I got the package delivered to me from YouTube. So, let's start unboxing. But before that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. Let's begin. Let's check it out. Look at that. So we will open now. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. What's inside? Yes. Let's open it. So how to open it? One. There's another tape here. So. Yeah. Make sure that you don't. Okay. Yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Charan! This is it. I'm so excited. What's this? There's something like that to protect. And there's a certification from YouTube channel. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100 and your 1000 subscribers? Okay, chances to do. Okay, we're proud to honor you in Festiv's milestone, reaching subscribers to Silver Creator Award. Your fan may have found while searching YouTube. Learn about your throat a friend and maybe you show up the recommended videos. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see you to the next, and we'll support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach the 1 million subscribers, we may just write you and ask, do you remember your 100? Yes, of course. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, YouTube, for the certificate. Okay, yours sincerely, yours, Neal Mohan, YouTube CEO. Thank you so much, Neal Mohan. Thank you so much for the certificate. This is it. Oh my God, this is it. Look at that, the silver button. Oh my God. And I have this award was infected and packaged with. Okay, thank you so much. Oh, look at that. Look at my name. My name. I will remove that. I'll remove that. Yes. Oh my God. I'll remove that. What can I do? No. This one. Okay. Look at that. I see myself in the mirror. Yes. Presented to Julie Flores France. Julie Flores France for passing 100,000 subscribers from the YouTube channel. Yes. Thank you so much, YouTube. Thank you so much. I hope on the next level. I hope that thank you so much to all who support me. Sa mga nag-support sa akin, who support me. And most especially to all my subscribers, of course, from the beginning up to end. From the first 100 or the first 1 to 100 and to 1,000. And to all the people around me that support me and subscribe me and recommended me in another people. So thank you so much. Salamat in the Philippines. Salamat sa mga sumuporta sa akin, especially the one who pushed me in a YouTube channel. It's Tirso Romantico. Salamat pare. Sa pag-push mo sa akin sa YouTube. I got that one already. Thank you so much. And of course sa mga kaibigan ko, sa mga pamilya, and of course ang aking pamilya, ang aking husband nag-support sa akin very much, na siyang nagpo-push din sa akin, na over-support talaga siya, over-supportive, and he support me from how to sing on live, and the other friend that making me make games and everything fun, singing fun and everything, upload, and to all my uploads, sa lahat po ng mga uploads ko na nagtangkilik, thank you so much, everyone. This is it. I got it already. That is also to my friends from the beginning up to end. Most especially the one who helped me to reach 1,000. Pops JC Entertainment, thank you so much sa pag help mo sa akin from the beginning ng 100 to 800 to 100, 1,000 subscribers. And of course, sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa akin from Pampanga, the Totoy Bato Pulosa songs, na napakarami po nag-subscribe sa akin dahil sa mga pulosa na in-upload ko, sa mga Kapampangan songs, my covered song, and of course, syempre, nandyan pa din ang mga nagbigay sa akin ng mga kanta, lalong-lalo na si Mr. Ronnie Raimundo. Dedicate ko sa iyo itong ang aking silver bottom, and of course sa lahat po ng mga barkada, kaibigan, everything, mga team Sangre, team Emelda, ano pa yung mga team 250, Apo Daka, and of course sa lahat po ng mga team na sumuporta sa akin, especially po sa aking mga admin. And of course, ang admin ko noon si Chris Beads. Maraming salamat, Chris Beads. This is it, Chris Beads, yung start natin na pangarap ko noon. Ito na siya. And of course, syempre yung mga admins ko ngayon, mga game masters ko, yung mga si Jam, si Angie, at saka si Maze, sa lahat po ng mga gamers dyan, mga kumpare, paring Gem Builders, salamat sa suporta. Isa ka sa mga suporta sa akin. Yung isa pa ka kung mga grupo na, isa pang grupo na Team Kulets, ayan, maraming salamat. Team Kulets, di masyadong DMLS, di masyadong late night, si Mr. Ronnie Raimundo, and of course sila Cramsy, Miss Choi, and Miss Imo. Sa lahat po ng mga barkada ko dyan sa YouTube, maraming salamat po sa mga friend ko, Team Kapampangan, mga team, lahat ng mga team na naging team ko, sa lahat po na hindi ko pa nabanggit, para po sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat, at sa mga nagbigay po sa akin ng mga regalo, para ma-reach ko ang subscribers ko na 100,000. And of course, bawat isang subscribe nyo po, isang tulong nyo sa akin. So, this is it. Maraming salamat sa mga gamers, sa mga laging nandyan sa akin. Kahit na anong ginagawa ko, andyan pa din kayo. So, thank you so much for everyone. Thank you so much. This is it. So, this is it. Thank you so much once again, YouTube channel, a YouTube company. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to get my certificate of 100,000 subscribers. So, I hope I will see you in another baby gold bottom. Ayan, gold bottom. I hope, and thank you so much, Lord, sa inyo. Unang-una sa inyo galing ito, at sa lahat po ng mga subscribers ko. Lord, thank you so much, and thank you so much. That's it. Bye-bye. Thank you so much. That's it.